Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, y'all, so it is New Year's Eve. Yeah. Okay. I just want to show y'all my outfit for real, because I'm supposed to get ready with y'all. But it been a long day. So let me just show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow. Look at what we got on. Like, I made my own hat. I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. I'm gonna add more on it. She's talking about shot o'clock, so I'm gonna talk to y'all still and go get the shot. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about my hat. It took me.
You sure you wanna take the first one?
Yeah, it took me a few days to make it. I wish I would have started earlier because that means I would have had it done before today. I finished it today, kinda. For this video, Happy New Year, 2023. So, the kitchen and the counter, I cleaned. I'm ready to clean the furniture and stuff. I'm out with the Happy New Year, you guys.
Me, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out.
When the season's done drying, I'm gonna put them back up here. So yeah, I cleaned the furniture and stuff because I never got the chance to clean it when we first moved in. So I do clean it basically everything. So yeah, how y'all New Year been going? I'm gonna try to get this video out to y'all tomorrow or later on tonight. So yeah. So I think we're supposed to be going to go around today. Then I'm gonna tell y'all my college story in the midst of everything. So stay tuned, all babes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, we ain't in the video. I'm just letting y'all know in the video, in between the video, to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, now, babes. So we back in the house. And I'm about to make us some zucchini and squash and some cauliflower. Anyway, let's get this food cooking.
Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Get a stick of butter and break it.
So you want me to blend that?
I'm gonna start a cooking show because I need to show y'all.
It's going out.
I already cooked.
These raw eggs.
Just stop it. Let's start cooking for y'all. Yeah, I've been going to school, a community college, since I was in high school. Because I decided to co-op when I was a senior. So when I co-op, I only had 4. I'm trying to think. I had only 4 core classes. Not even core because I had math, English, gym, and core. So I had 4 classes. Then we had days like shifts, so A and B. So we had 2 different days, A day or B day. So I don't remember what I had for A day and B day, so whatever. It don't matter. So after my 2 classes I had, I would go get lunch or just go to work, go straight to work. And then the bestest friend Michaela used to take me. She's a real one because I would have had to drop 2 more classes if I would have had to get on the bus. So, yep, she used to take me. We used to either eat out or I would have my lunch already packed and then go to UPS. And then UPS, we would work for like 2, I'm lying. We would work for like 4 hours. And then, depending on what day it was, we would have our college class to go to. So with that, it depends what type of college class you had. So say you had an extra math class as a college class. So you probably gonna go to your math class 2-3 times out of the week. And some people only went once out of the week to their specific class. So that was a college credit. So that's what led me into going to college. I was already doing college classes. And UPS paid for college when you switch to night shift. So that's what I did. But my financial aid and my keys money covered